Welcome to my channel. Today, we will edit a landscape image in Luminar 4. We will replace the sky, add sun rays, and make overall enhancements. So let's open a photo in Photoshop and select the Luminar in the filter menu. First, let's replace the sky. Go to the Creative menu and select AI Sky Replacement. Now select the sky. I will use one of the default skies distributed with the Luminar license. Let's make some basic and advanced adjustments. Now we will add the sun rays. So select the sun rays menu. First, look at the image and place the sun center where it would fit the best. In my particular photo is the sun placed somewhere behind the bush. Now increase or decrease the amount or intensity of the sun rays and make additional tunings. Of course, we want to see the sun rays coming out from behind the hill in the bush, as it would be in reality. Therefore we have to mask out the sun rays from the bottom part of the photo. So let's go to the Edit Mask menu. Then select Brush option. Select Invert Mask and change the painting mode to Erase. Start to paint over the bottom half of the photo to remove the sun rays. Increase the opacity and change the brush size using left or right brackets as needed. Now fine-tune the appearance of the sun rays using the Randomize slider. Use also other sliders to retouch the overall sun rays look. If needed, get back to the mask and fine-tune it. Then make the final sun rays settings. Now we will start to make the overall image enhancements. Let's stay in the Creative tab and select the Dramatic menu. Increase the amount and local contrast slightly. Let's add a bit of color style. Choose one of the presets and then edit the intensity. Make sure you apply just a modest amount of it. Now go to the Essential Setting tab and choose the Light menu. Try to bring back some information in the shadows part and edit the highlights and the smart contrast. Let's select the AI Enhance menu. Here increase the AI accent and use the AI Sky Enhancer to enhance the overall look of the sky. Select the AI structure and increase the amount and the boost. Now let's make some color adjustments. Let's go to the color menu and select the advanced settings. Here choose particular color tones and edit the hue, saturation, and the luminance of each color tone. Please don't increase the saturation too much as it may cause color fringing. Use the luminance slider to increase or decrease the brightness of the particular color tone, respectively. Use the blue color tone and by the luminance slider increase the drama in the sky even more. We will now enhance the details and the sharpness. Go to the Details Enhancer menu. It is essential to realize what will be the final photo used for. If it is the large print, make only subtle changes here. Use the small detail slider and increase it a little bit. It is useful to use the on and off button of this effect to see the actual impact on the image. Then use the sharpen slider and sharpen the photo slightly. If you increase the sharpness and the details in the photo, it could cause the overall noise increase. The best way to find it out is to zoom in the sky part of the image and find the noise appearance. In my case, it is not bad, so I don't need to use the denoise function. There is another powerful function in Luminar 4, and it is the Landscape Enhancer. Here you boost the foliage saturation and richness using the Foliage Enhancer slider. Use Golden Hour to bring warmth to the photo. And finally, use the Dehaze slider to increase the contrast mainly in the sky. The last setting in the essential part is Vignette. Use the Amount slider and pull it to the left side to get the vignetting effect. Here is the same rule not to go too far with the effect. Then fine-tune the size and the feather parameters. Now let's move to the Pro tab. Here we will start with the Advanced Contrast. Set the contrast and the contrast balance for highlights, midtones, and shadows separately. Go to the Color Enhancer. Here increase the brilliance parameter slightly. Our photo is almost ready. I just don't like the foliage and bush saturation. So let me get back to the essentials and in Color Advanced setting let me decrease the saturation of the green tones. Now let's check the before and after versions. Thanks for watching. If you like the tutorial, please press the like button. And don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.